Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Joe Talking More. Happy New Year's, if I hadn't already said it to you guys. Today I bring to you a anticipated firearm since it was released that it was coming out. If you already read the title and description, then you already know what it is. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, this isn't a true unboxing. It's more like a unboxing, first impression, and first mag through it. Because I already did open it. I took it to the range to show you guys the whole package. Here, I have to you the new Glock 43X, recently released. Make sure it's clear first. You can see nothing in the chamber. Got it? Clear. Put it to the side. Of course, as you can see here, comes with one mag, two mags. That's it. If you're familiar with Glock, you know, clean rod, orange lock, all that good stuff. We'll go ahead and put it out the way real quick. So, here we have it, the Glock 43X. What's new, other than the coating and the longer grip and the mag capacity, other than that, it's pretty much a 43. Everybody knows me, I love my Glocks, so of course I had to get it. I had to trade a couple things to get it, to get to the price point that I don't shoot no more, so that way it was free. These sights, of course, if you guys know me, been watching the channel, know that it will be going, because I hate standard Glock sights. So, it's the 43X. Alright, so 43X, you guys just saw me shoot it, and when I thought about it, you know, it is what it is. Right here, I have a regular 43. Of course, let me show you guys, no mag. It is clear. Don't mind it being dusty because it just came out of a holster that I wear frequently. And these sights are the Mariglow fast sights, if you must know. I like it. So let's see. Pretty much the same side, except I do like how this is all tapered and rounded off versus straight box-like. So I will say that's a plus. Overall length, about that much more, and you get additional 4 rounds. Because this one is 6+1, this one is 10+1. So 7 to 11. As far as everything else, same dimensions. So these same sights will fit on the 43. But this time I think I'm going with some Trigicons. Other than the coating and the mag capacity, to me it's not much of a difference. Alright, here go the mags right here. 6 to your 10. This one's a lot more thicker. So this magazine will not fit in the 43X. This magazine will not fit in the 43. So if you're thinking about being smart and doing that, that's not gonna work. Over here, I have a +2 from Terran Tactical, and it's about the same, roughly about the same length. So this might be a +3 because I have both, +3 and +2 for my 43. So that's that. As far as the holsters are interchangeable because of the size. The only thing that changed really is the handle grip or the pistol grip and the coating and the mag capacity. Of course, I didn't show you a minute ago, but it's a little slightly thicker to fit that staggered 9mm. It's not a true single stack, so it's more like staggered. I'll put this right here for you guys. So that's the 43 versus the 40X, and my first gun, my first rounds comparison. Today I was able to put roughly about maybe like 100 rounds to it. So just running its paces. If you shot a Glock, then you know how this feels. If you shot a compact or subcompact Glock, I would say this feels a lot more better. You're able to actually grip it all the way in your hand with no extensions. Out the box, you got 11+1. This may be a switch up for my 26 in the summertime, but we're gonna see. Yeah, my 26 still fits out a lot of niches because it's double stack and it's about this much shorter, which, stand by. Okay, so this is my 26, this is my 33, as you can see here, but same thing as 26. So you can see how much shorter it is, and it holds 10+1 without extensions. Yeah, so basically today I was able to hold the 48 and the 43X. The 48, I say I'm not gonna get it, but I also said I wasn't gonna get the 43, and you see where we're standing at right now. So the 48 may be a next option. As of right now, I didn't see that it was feasible because it's basically a 19 single stack. I don't see the niche that fits yet, so hence why I didn't get it. So that's my basic comparison between the 43X versus the 43 video. And if you're thinking about getting one of these because you don't have one of these, then I would say go ahead and go with the 43 regular, because you can make it shorter. Well, it comes shorter if you need to be shorter, or you can add the extensions. I think if you don't have one of these two, you know, as of right now, I say get this if you don't have either one of them. Not a bad option if you want this. I wish it would have been black on black versus Cerakote, but sometimes you can't win all battles, right? So like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to go tell another friend, and keep it going, all right? Be safe.